clothes in the Taiwanese washing machine. So I will also tell the tutorial in here. After you plug in, you should click this red button and just click it up this is the liter of the water, and this one I don't know, just click it up. I only put 5 in here, and then this is the step about the duration of the laundry, and after that all we should click green button. Okay, the water is automatically spilled out on the machine. So yeah, like this. The next step is we're just waiting for this count, the first count clear, and your clothes already done. Be washed.